In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Adobe Acrobat Reader DC not opening issue in Windows 10. If you've ever found yourself in the frustrating position of trying to open Adobe Acrobat Reader DC only to have it not respond or open at all, you're not alone. This is a common issue, but luckily it has a rather straightforward fix. Let's dive in so you can get back to using your PDF files without a hitch. First, navigate to your Windows 10 desktop and locate the Start menu. You can do this by either clicking on the Start button, typically found at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the Start menu is open, you'll want to direct your attention to finding the Adobe Acrobat app icon. Now, depending on your system's setup, you might find it under the list of all programs, or it could be pinned directly to your Start menu for quicker access. Once you've located the Adobe Acrobat app icon, the next step is crucial. You'll want to right-click on this icon. A list of options will appear, and from this list you should select More. This action will lead you to another set of options, from which you need to choose Run as Administrator. Running the app as an administrator can often resolve issues related to permissions that might be preventing the program from opening normally. Once you click on Run as Administrator, you might see a User Account Control dialog box pop up. This is Windows' way of confirming that you're aware of the permissions you're about to grant Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. At this point, you'll need to click on Yes to proceed. Granting these permissions is essential because it allows the program to access higher level system functionalities that can often lead to it functioning properly when it wasn't before. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should have successfully resolved the issue of Adobe Acrobat Reader DC not opening on your Windows 10 machine. If for some reason these steps don't resolve the issue, there might be deeper issues at play, such as software corruption or a need for a reinstall. For most users, however, running the application as an administrator suffices. Feel free to watch this tutorial again if you need to walk through the steps another time. Remember, technology can be tricky, but with a bit of perseverance and the right instructions, most issues can be resolved with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you tackle this issue quickly and efficiently. Stay tuned for more helpful tech tutorials.